Namaskar. We will discuss some of the basic aspects of inducting proactive thinking from सार्थ श्री दासबोध. रेखा तितुकी पुसवून जाते, प्रत्यक्ष प्रत्यया येते, डोळे झाकणी करावे ते काय निमित्त, घालून अकलेचा पवाड, व्हावे ब्रह्मांडातून जाड, येथे कैचे आणले द्वाड, करंटेपणा. The meaning of the above is as under. A line on the palm may get blurred, which is a common experience. Why should one ignore this fact without any reason? By using the supreme human wit, one can even transgress this universe. So, is there any scope for the erroneous inactivity in life? Saint Sri Samartha Ramdas Swami believed that all human beings possess the ability to change their own destiny. He was one of the rare saint poets who supported persistence in all the endeavors, spiritual or otherwise. This is extremely significant because then existent knowledge accorded prominence to destiny than hard work. Saint Ramdas Swami's work emphasized his belief in human efforts. According to him, instead of asking the astrologer to make sense of one's destiny, one can change the lines on one's palm by consistent effort. धन्यवाद. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. We will discuss some of the aspects mentioned in the Dasabodh about the efforts to be taken by all. प्रयत्न आहे थोर पहावा विचार, येणे पैल पार पाविजेतो, पाविजेतो पार प्रारब्धे करुणी, यत्न केल्या जनी होत नाही प्रयत्न ऐसे काय आहे, विचारुनी पाहे आलयाले. The meaning of the above is as under. Consider that effort is great, with the help of which one can progress in the spiritual realm as well. Even to set aside the effect of past karma, there is no solace but to strive hard. Now, is there anything impossible to achieve through effort? Ask yourself about this opinion of mine. For Saint Ramdas Swami, the spiritual domain was no different from the material world. This was in stark contrast to the prevalent thinking that man cannot change his destiny without God's intervention. He declares in one of his works as above. धन्यवाद. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. We will discuss the basic part of management by walk around. Now we will see what is the meaning of management. Management means, in the last analysis, the substitution of thought for brain and muscle of knowledge, for folklore and superstition, and of cooperation of force. This definition is given by Peter F. Drucker, management thinker and author. In order to make the various concepts of modern management, let us take an example of the management by walk around. Now, what Saint Ramdas Swami has written as under, येके ठाई बैसोन राहिला, तरी मग व्यापची बुडाले, सावधपणे ज्याला त्याला भीती द्यावी. The meaning of the above is as under, be seated at a place and you will lose control of all enterprise. Instead, cautiously meet several people and see your enterprise going ahead and successful. Dasbodh prescribes socially responsible leadership, which is people-oriented. Now, the above details are perfectly applicable for a project head during the progress of the works or otherwise as well. If the project head sits at one location and does not go and inspect certain aspects on daily basis, then at the first instance he would lose the overall over and various activities, and then coordination amongst the various agencies becomes difficult and hence will lead to project delays, quality and safety issues, and of course cost overruns. Hence, the simple management principle, management by walk around, as above, was clearly stated by Sri Ramadas Swami in the 17th century. धन्यवाद. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.